The last time y'all were in here, there was nothing. No organization, no nothing. We were actually decluttering. We are finishing up the beauty room today. We're gonna get the structure down of what I want it to look like in here. We are gonna build one of the Target bookshelves, but it's one of the minier ones for my nail stuff. Yesterday, we built our bookshelves, okay? Look, check this out. Look at that. The last step we have to do for the bookshelves is to put the backs in there. It was late when I started to do them, so I didn't want to like be that neighbor. I guess I'm in my own home, so nobody can hear me, but I felt bad if I would have been, you know. But how my girls doing? Let's get it together. Beauty room is gonna be complete. Okay. Ooh. On the seam, I have little scratches. I think I did that. I have like tile. So I think it was scratching on the floor. So be careful if you create these bookshelves because they will get jacked up. Oh, that just made me mad. But I'm thinking like right here. You know, maybe like right here. Yeah, and then space it out. Yeah, 3 little shells. Agreed, agreed. These nails are so dirty. I'm gonna have to like clean all of the shelves. Ah! So excited. I don't know how I'm gonna do these, but they'll probably be reorganized. So once I start putting stuff on the shelves, but I'm gonna put in a few of them and then see how it goes. From like where that mirror is, that's where the wall kind of ends. These are literally for videos, like just these bags alone. That is crazy. The other, because now that looks a little strange because it comes out far. Put all 3 of them on this wall. Because this is how it was supposed to be originally. And then that way it's not blocking the door. If I take a picture in the mirror, you won't see that. Like you won't see the display shelf. Okay, look, I'm gonna be like this. Yes, queen. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't mind it. And I can put stuff that I don't use as much on this shelf and then use the other 2.
just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you see what's the point?
Okay, but I did my thing on this one. You can't tell me I didn't do my thing. Okay, so I have like my accessories here, and I'll eventually put like decorations either on top or move some purses up top. It looks so organized in here, like shook. Like I did my theme bag. Why did I literally just switch the whole room up? Me and Caprice, we are the worst. So what I did was, I have that wall mount. I'm gonna put some stuff on there, and it's gonna go here. I centered these two to the wall, and then it kind of gave it like some dimension. It's kind of cute. But guess where the other one is? It's gonna be right there. Cause what were we thinking? Like,
it took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually
it looks so nice in here. Like, it's a vibe. I did mess up the wall, I ain't gonna lie. Still some artwork is gonna have to go there because that looks atrocious. Like, look at this. Like, look at that wall. Do y'all see that? Everything's so cute. Don't mind me. And then I put that there. This is my makeup shelf. Moved it. I mounted that for whenever I do like little fashion hauls. The wood is stuck. My work desk, TikTok dresser. But yeah, so that is what it's looking like. I broke it up. I put a wall mount there for my wigs. So I had to hang some up, okay? I kind of got to go through that now. But look at how everything turned out. So cute. So I'm really excited. So I got stuff here. Oh, no, my earring fell. Lord. But yeah. And then, oh, Oh, you know what? I was moving everything around, like the bookshelves, and everything fell. But yeah, so everything looks nice. I put my clips and stuff up here whenever I need them. Hair accessories, clips, bobby pins. What are these called? Claw clips. These are my wig clips to hang up my wigs. Look at those. Those are cool. And then I have my developer bleach, my wig collabs that I have to do. Got my little foamies, rollers, hot tools. And then in those I have like all type of stuff. This will be my nail stuff here. So I need to get some bins for that. But yeah, skincare on this shelf. I have like more makeup and stuff I'm gonna be putting here. And then I put eyelash stuff there, individual strips, just about everything. And then down there, my trash isn't gonna stay right there. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but whatever. That could stay there for now. Finally got it together. Ew. Never showed y'all my vanity. But here we have all my makeup. We got blushes, concealers, brushes, more brushes, I would say. We got blushes. Don't mind the open blush. It breaks on everyone. The NARS one. All type of powders, hair powders, well, like wig powder, blushes, all type of stuff. Then we got foundations, cream contours. We got more concealers here. Got my brushes there. And then this drawer, I have like stuff to like clean the cameras. I got lip glosses. I have like eyelash stuff. Mascara, even though I don't wear it. Puffs need to be cleaned. I got primers, Carmaxes, all the type of stuff. And then in this one, I got more powder puffs, or like more beauty blenders. Little, what are those called? Little exfoliator pads. And then I have eyebrow stuff, eyeliner, more lip liners that could be used as eyeliners. And then we also have some skincare here. We got like sunscreen, primers, vitamin C. Got my Kiehl's, love Kiehl's. And then I have all my lip oils and stuff. Last final touches, gonna be artwork. I'm excited. I think I did a pretty good job and I'm very content. And I wanna get curtains, like some sheer cute ones. I don't know what color though. Maybe something earthy. Definitely wanna get some plants in here because it has really good sunlight. So like I could get something that could just grow with me, you know? But yeah, that's the beauty room, baby. Yeah.